Hello viewers, today in this video I am gonna show you how to remove Meta AI from WhatsApp new update. Okay, let's start. First of all, click on WhatsApp apps. Let's see how to remove it. After that, now go back your home screen and go to your phone setting and follow my step. Scroll down, now tap on apps. Scroll down, now search your WhatsApp apps. Scroll down, now tap on storage. Clear cache and clear data. Now tap on permission. Now enable all permission. After that, now go back your home screen and go to your Play Store, update your WhatsApp apps. Now search bar and search your WhatsApp apps. It is already updated, now go back your home screen. Now restart your device, then go to your WhatsApp. I hope your problem is solved. Thank you.